Innovation and forward-looking is what Conperio actually means in Latin. It is how we formed the company, and it is part of our DNA, and it means a lot to us to be recognized within Rockwell's interconnected ecosystem.
Conperio specializes in real-time manufacturing solutions that help manufacturers optimize their operations. Conperio has been implementing industrial and enterprise software solutions for over 3 decades and 2 generations, with deep expertise in MES and digital transformation. We built the customer experience center to create an immersive, hands-on environment where manufacturers can experience real-world applications of Rockwell automation solutions.
With the Conperio Experience Center, the Rockwell ecosystem consists of both hardware and software components. The hardware components include Allen Bradley PLCs, as well as power monitors for monitoring energy consumption. And then as for the software components, it's a large ecosystem of their software portfolio.
The goal is to help our customers see how digital transformation can directly impact their operations in areas like energy management, real-time analytics, and production efficiency.
I am deeply grateful to Rockwell Automation for recognizing our team's efforts with this Innovation Award at the Partner Network Conference. This award is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and creativity of everyone involved in our project. Innovation is never a solo endeavor. It requires the collaboration and support of a talented team, and I'm very fortunate to work with some of the brightest minds in the industry.